exercise of lesson 17, The Pied Piper of Hamelin part 2. Okay, so let's start. Here question number 1 is read and learn. Army, amuse, disappoint, suggest, carpenter, bother, mend, tumble, cash, choicest, plug, rash, charm, Danny, poison, in van, pipe, deserve and step. Now question number 2, comprehension. So A, answer the question. So first question is, what suggestion would Ravi and Ashok have offered the mayor for getting rid of the rats? So the answer is, Ravi would have suggested to the mayor to poison the rats if he had been a councillor. Similarly, Ashok would have suggested to employ all the carpenters in the town to mend all the traps and make thousands of new ones, get all the holes plugged and get all the holes plugged. Okay, क्वेश्चन था कि रवि और अशोक ने क्या सजेशन दिए थे, अगर वो काउंसलर होते तो मेयर को क्या सजेशन देते चूहों से छुटकारा पाने के लिए. ठीक है. Now question number 2, why did the mayor not get the rats poisoned? मेयर जो था वो rats को poison क्यों नहीं देना चाहता था? The mayor did not get the rats poisoned because by poisoning the rats he would be getting the people poisoned as well. No one in Hamelin could eat food before rats had tasted it. Now question number 3, what did the mayor promise the Pied Piper? The mayor promised, you will be paid whatever you want in cash. Now question number 4, why did the Pied Piper look very strange? The piper looked very strange on his red and yellow dress and odd appearance. He was as thin as a starved rat. He had a crooked nose and bright blue eyes. He had no beard and a smile played on his lips. Now question number 5. What did the Pied Piper do with the rats? The Pied Piper played a tune on his pipe. An army of rats followed him. He led the rats to River Weser. All the rats ran into the water and were drowned. Okay, now question number 6. Why was the Pied Piper disappointed? The Pied Piper was disappointed because the mayor refused to pay him the promised amount of 1,000 guilders. Now question number 7. How did the Piper punish the people of Hamelin? पाइपर ने हैमिलिन के लोगों को कैसे पनिश किया? The piper played a different tune. All the children were drawn to the charming tune. He led their children to some unknown place in the side of mountain near the town. In this way, the piper punished the people of Hamelin. Now, next question. Was it right for the mayor to deny the piper his due? Why? So the answer is, the mayor had promised the Pied Piper to pay him 1,000 guilders in cash. The Pied Piper managed to rid the people of Hamelin of the nuisance caused by the rats. Therefore, it was wrong for the mayor to deny the piper his due. Now question number B, tick the correct option. People wanted to get rid of the mayor, the rats, the councillors. So the answer is the rats. Second, all the carpenters worked to mend and make traps, plug holes or give poison to the rats. So the answer is mend and make traps. Third number, the mayor made a rash promise, good promise or wrong promise. So the answer is rash promise. Fourth, the Pied Piper was dressed in red and yellow, blue and black or fine clothes. So the answer is red and yellow. Now question number C. Read the following sentence and tick true or false. So first, people liked the rats. This is false. Dogs ate up all the rats. This is also false. The Pied Piper sang a tune and led all the rats to the river. Yes, true. The mayor was not honest. True. The Pied Piper was disappointed. This is also true. Now word power. Fill in the blanks, spaces choosing the correct words from those given below. First, Mahesh played a charming tune on a flute. Okay, यहाँ आंसर मैंने लिख दिया है. First, deserve than desire. Third, Indian Army is one of the best armies of the world. Fourth, I can accept money either in cash or by check. Fifth, you always suggest for my welfare. Sixth, always try to keep your promises, never deny them. Okay, now B. Encircle the odd word. गिटार, पाइप, सितार, रेडियो. तो ये सब म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. दिस इज डिफरेंट. ओके. रोज, मैरीगोल्ड, जैस्मीन एंड रोड. सो ऑल these threes are flowers, but this is not in a group of flower. Girl, lady, woman and man. यहाँ देखें, ये सारे फीमेल्स हैं और ये एक मेल है. ओके. लेक्चरर, प्रोफेसर, पोस्टमैन, टीचर. तो यहाँ पोस्टमैन डिफरेंट होगा क्योंकि लेक्चरर, प्रोफेसर कॉलेज में होते हैं, लेक्चरर स्कूल में होते हैं, टीचर भी स्कूल में होते हैं. ओके. फिफ्थ, डॉलर, पाउंड, रुपी, चेक. तो ये तीनों जो है वो करेंसी है और चेक करेंसी नहीं है. ठीक है. मिल्क, टी, ब्रेड और कॉफी. तो यहाँ देखें, ब्रेड यहाँ डिफरेंट होगा क्योंकि मिल्क भी क्या है, लिक्विड है. टी and coffee is also liquid. Okay, so bread is different. So here your lesson 17 is completed. Write in your fair copy. With एक बार आंसर भी देख लें, है ना. See. सेवन और ये है लास्ट आपका 8 नंबर का आंसर. ओके.